Very good morning to all of you. Now I am going to start my session. First of all, wishing you a happy Durga Puja. Enjoy a lot, study a lot, maintaining the complete balance between puja and study. So please, पर्व के साथ शिक्षा को भी तालमेल के साथ आप लोग पढ़ेंगे, इसी उम्मीद के साथ दुर्गा पूजा की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. Now I am going to start my class for chapter light. In the earlier class, up to now, what we discussed? We discussed about light, we discussed about the characteristic of light, we discussed about the property of light, we discussed about the path deviation in light. For that, the direction change of light by the smooth surface we classified into two types. First one, reflection, second one, refraction. Yes, first one reflection, second one refraction. In that I gave you the definition of reflection. Afterward, in the reflection section, we studied about plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror, in which we studied about the object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature, r is equal to 2f, etc. and etc. मैंने कहा था sometimes what is happening ना, like if I will deliver all the things in English, you will feel bored. ये क्या लगातार एक ही भाषा में बोल रहे हैं. तो मैं कभी कभी हिंदी का भी प्रयोग करूँगा ताकि आपके अंदर जो है भौतिकी विज्ञान के प्रति अभिरुचि बनी रहे. And it's quite tough for any teacher, those are teaching science, to explain or elaborate anything technical term in Hindi. So थोड़ा कम रहता है. So sorry for that, because in the examination you have to give your question like examination in English and all. So I am also not able to explain a lot of things in Hindi. So we'll move toward English. With the help of English only we can explain each and everything. So after the completion of concave mirror and concave mirror image formation, the important segment what is necessary to discuss is what? Yes, numericals. जो गणितीय प्रश्न होते हैं भौतिकी विज्ञान में, अब हम उसके तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. नाउ आर मूविंग टुवर्ड द न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ concave mirror and convex mirror. So today I am in front of you with two examples, two numerical examples. First one which relates with concave mirror and second one which relates with convex mirror. And this one is the basic concept for solving the numerical questions. So I hope that after understanding or after the completion of my today's session, definitely you will capable to solve the numericals. Those are related with concave mirror and convex mirror. So according to myself, before DP, today's class or today's session is very, very important for us to understand the numerical questions of concave mirror and convex mirror, because with the help of that we can easily capable to sort out the question whatever will be given in the examination. And you are the student of class 10. This time due to corona and all, like we are facing lot of problem. So a part of understanding these numericals, you are not having any other option to good score marks, because according to the CBSE norm, always you have to keep rememberize that always you will think that okay, I am studying in particular ABC school and the 20 marks will be in the hand of school management or a school teacher, respective subject teachers and all. So sometimes you will get 17, 18 or 19 marks in the internal, and in the external you are not supposed to get even 23 marks. At least वैसा तो बनना है यार. वैसा पास करने से क्या फ़ायदा? What is the benefit if I am not having the concept? पास करने के लिए नहीं पढ़ूँ. I am capable to tell it to you that like I can take class of any subject. मैं किसी भी subject का किसी विषय की class ले सकता हूँ. क्यों? Because I am having the concept. So it's my always like wish for all of you that please develop the concept and logic. एंड वो मेरे लिए काफ़ी गर्व का दिन होगा जब कोई बच्चा मेरे साथ रहे और लाइक एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन विल शेयर द स्क्रीन विथ मी। एक टीचर के लिए, एक शिक्षक के लिए इससे बड़ी कोई मतलब बड़ा दिन कोई नहीं होता है कि जो आज मैं आपको डिलीवर कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट टुडे आई एम डिलीवरिंग इट टू यू, यू कैन ऑल्सो डिलीवर इट टू मी। अरे आपको भी समाज को लौटाना है, बिकॉज वी आर द टीचर्स। हमें जो सीखते हैं उसको मन से सीखना चाहिए। वी आर नॉट सपोज टू जस्ट सॉर्ट आउट द क्वेश्चन एंड जस्ट फॉर लाइक सच काइंड ऑफ अ स्टडी इन विच वी विल गेट गुड मार्क्स एंड ऑल। आप देख लेना, एक शिक्षक IAS नहीं होता है, लेकिन वो IAS का सृजन करता है। वो इंजीनियर्स बनाते हैं, वो डॉक्टर बनाते हैं। सो आपको कॉन्सेप्ट रखना है, और यह काम जब आपके अंदर किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में, किसी भी विषय में डूबने की प्रवृत्ति आ जाएगी कि हम उसकी गहराई तक, उसके अंदरूनी सतह तक पहुंच सकें, जब क्यूरोसिटी जागेगी तो आप निखरेंगे। आपको निखरना है। एंड दोज गर्ल्स लाइक विनीता एंड ऑल, पूजा जो पढ़ रही हो, वी हैव टू स्टडी। पढ़ना खुद के लिए है। It is not necessary that okay, I will simply sit and turn the page for 2 hours for my parents, my parents will think that yeah, I am studying and all. No, there is no need of that. You are the student of class 10. You have to study for yourself only. You have to study for making concept, for building the good logic. आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट रखना है। चले आगे बढ़ते हैं। दुर्गा पूजा है तो समटाइम्स मोटिवेशनल स्पीच होना चाहिए, बिकॉज फ्रॉम माई पास्ट classes up to now, simply I am coming and I am explaining all those things. So today I thought that before ending the session, before Durga Puja, we will discuss and we will chat something, जिससे कि मैं आपको जगा सकूं, आपको आपके लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ने में मदद कर सकूं। समस्याएं जटिल होती हैं, पढ़ना हम लोगों को होता है, और पढ़ के पढ़ाना भी हमारा काम है, आपका काम सीखना है। So today we are having the 2 numericals. First one relates with convex mirror and second one relates with concave mirror, because on the behalf of 2 types of mirror we have to sort out the question. So now focus, start focusing on the board and on my voice, because I am going to explain both of 2 questions in which first one associates with convex mirror and second one associates with concave mirror. So focus on the board, focus on my voice and start the work. According to question, actually both of the question, whatever is present on the board, I took it from the NCERT book. So the question will be in theoretical form, that there is a mirror, convex mirror and all, the object will having the distance of particular x, y, z and magnitude and unit. So I am simply, what I did, that I wrote all the facts. I wrote all the facts, whatever I got from the question. So first one, according to question number 1, the type of mirror is convex mirror. The type of mirror is convex mirror. According to question, what is given, that radius of curvature is 3 meter. Object distance will be 5 meter. In question you can easily see, after the completion of my class you can easily see. So in the first half I wrote whatever the facts were present in the question. So object distance will be 5 meter. We have to find out the image distance and as well as height of the image. Now the term, the facts, whatever was present in the question, I converted them into physics basis. So here R will be considered as +3. Why R will be considered as +3? Because I told it to you that after putting the mirror on number line, this one will be considered at 0, this one will be plus side and this one will be minus side. And for convex mirror, always we know that F and R or C, whatever is there, is F and C F will be known as OF will be known as small f, and OC will be known as capital R. So will be in the right hand side of the mirror, or we can say in other word that R and F will be present in the opposite side of the mirror, and due to the presence of C, R or F, whatever we can say, in the right hand side of the mirror, always R will be in positive term. R will be in positive term. So R is equal to plus 3 meter. R is equal to plus 3 meter. So according to law, what I told it to you, that R is equal to always 2F, or in other word we can say that F is equal to R by 2. F is equal to R by 2. So focal length will be how much? We will divide 3 by 2, that will come around plus 1.5 meter. Okay. Object distance 5 meter. Actually in convex mirror, where we will put the object? We will put the object in the front of the mirror, and whatever the things or object or image formation, what will happen in the left side of mirror, that will contain the symbolic sign of minus. That will contain the symbolic signs of minus. So U is equal to, object distance is equal to minus 5 meter, and according to that we have to find out V, and we have to find out H. H will be known as height of image. H dash will be known as height of image. Always you have to memorize that there are two terms, H and H dash. H will be known as height of object, and H dash will be known as height of image. So now according to the mirror formula, what is the mirror formula? If anyone is listening, I told you earlier that mute yourself. So what is the mirror formula? Mirror formula is nothing but 1 plus V plus 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This one is known as universal mirror formula. This one will be known as universal mirror formula. Universal mirror formula क्या होता है भाई? 1 बटा V plus 1 बटा U is equal to 1 बटा F. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So now we will use that universal formula for mirror. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here we have to find out the value of V. So 1 by V plus 1 by U. Here what is U? U is equal to minus 5. U is equal to minus 5. So I wrote it minus 5 is equal to 1 by F. F is equal to how much? Plus 1 by 1.5. So you know that if you are the good student of mathematics, then if there is a plus sign in front of any magnitude or given data, we need not to mention that positive sign, because if 1 is given, it means that will be counted as plus 1. Okay. So we will write is equal to 1 by 1.5. After on the behalf of the mathematical solving style, simply we will replace 1 by minus 5 from LHS to RHS. So this minus sign will convert into plus sign. Afterward we will get 6.5 by 7.5. 6.5 by 7.5. That will be the value of 1 by V. So according to normal concept, if 1 by x is equal to 1 by 9, so x is equal to what? We will rotate it, and we will rotate it 9 by 1. So here also I am doing the same thing. We got 1 by V is equal to 6.5 by 7.5. So for V, we will just exchange, or we will just reverse 7.5 by 6.5. Point will be cut by each other, and we will get the value of is equal to plus 1.15. Plus 1.15. That will be the value of V. Plus 1.15. So इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? Plus 1.15 means what? Yes, the image will be in the back side of mirror. Image will be in the back side of mirror. Why? Because here the unit is positive sign. Here the unit is positive sign. So by the help of that, easily you are seeing that what are the role of plus or minus sign in front of the magnitude given for the numerical of concave or convex mirror. So by that we can easily get. So for that we got the answer. Plus 1.15. In other words, the object, the image will form 1.15 meter at the back side of mirror. At the back side of mirror. This one is the complete अनक्रॉसेबल आंसर, अगर आप प्लस 1.15 के बगल में इफ यू विल राइट मीन्स द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पोल एंड द इमेज पोजीशन इज 1.15 मीटर बैक साइड ऑफ मिरर, अगर आप ऐसा लिखते हैं, इफ यू विल राइट लाइक दैट, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट कंप्लीट मार्क्स विदाउट एनी कटिंग बाय द एग्जामिनर। ये पहला हो गया। अब दूसरा क्या है भाई, मैग्निफिकेशन। हाउ वी कैन फाइंड मैग्निफिकेशन? सो मैग्निफिकेशन इज नथिंग, एक आवर्धन क्या है? आवर्धन है क्या? एक तुलना वस्तु के आकार और उसके प्रतिबिंब के आकार की। सो इन अदर वर्ड वी कैन से दैट एम इज नथिंग but the ratio of height of image and object, the ratio of height of image and object. So h will be known as height of the object and h dash will be known as height of image, or we can write it like minus v by u. We can write it minus v by u. So on the behalf of that, m is equal to h dash by h, h dash by h, h dash by h. Okay, so v by u, so we can write minus v is equal to 1.15 by minus 5, minus minus we will cut 0.23. Here the tricky thing will come, here the tricky thing will come. What is the tricky thing? According to question, height of image, but here the height of object is not given. So for that what we did, we find out the ratio, so the image, so for the answer we can write the ratio between object and image is 0.23. So this one will be in the term of factor, or like proportion और रेशियो, वॉट एवर वी कैन वॉन्ट, वी कैन टेल कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट के 0.23 के आकार का होगा. सो दिस वन विल बी नोन एज हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड question number 2. We are moving toward question number 2, and question number 2 is in which whatever the question is present in the NCERT book, mirror type concave mirror, object height. Here you can see in your NCERT book, here object height will be given 4 meter, here the object height will be given 4 meter. Okay, and distance will be 4 cm, distance will be 25 cm, focal length will be 15 cm. We have to find out the image distance and image size. So now we are converting the theoretical term into scientific term. H is equal to plus 4 cm, because height will be, if the object is present in the front of the mirror, then definitely height will be in the positive. So H is equal to 4 cm. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस विच विल बी नोन एज यू. ऑब्जेक्ट किधर होगा भाई? इधर ही होगा ना, कॉन्केव मिरर के. दैट्स वाई माइनस 25 cm. फोकल लेंथ 15, वो भी इधर ही है, माइनस 15 cm. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ v एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द h dash, size of height of image. We have to find out the height of image. So now we will again start solving the question by 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Again we wrote 1 by v, okay, 1 by u is equal to minus 25, so I wrote minus 25 here, is equal to 1 by f. 1 by f is equal to minus 15, so I put minus 15. Afterward we will move this one to RHS. Afterward we can write 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 15, and this minus sign will change into plus sign when we will shift it from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. So that will come around plus 1 by 25. After solving, what we will get? Minus 2 by 75. After solving, what we will get? Minus 2 by 75. That will be the value of 1 by v. So again, for finding out the value of v, actually what we have to find? We have to not find the value of 1 by v, we have to find the value of v. Yes, so we will reverse them, just opposite करने का, उल्टा कर देने का. So that will come like minus 75 by 2, and minus 75 by 2 cm is nothing but equal to minus 37.5 cm. So on the behalf of that, easily we can get the value of V, which will minus 37.5. So again, on the behalf of the magnification formula, h dash by h, m is equal to h dash by h, which is equal to minus V by U. So we will write h dash by h is equal to minus V. V is equal to minus 37.5 by minus 25. Here the height of image is what? Height of image is 4 centimeters. So we will put it here 4, and after doing cross multiplication we move 4 from here to here, and we will get h dash is equal to minus 6 centimeter. h dash is equal to minus 6 centimeter. मतलब क्या हुआ? If the height will be minus 6 centimeter, it means the object will in the form of inverted. If object will lie just ground the mirror, ground below the principal axis line, that will be considered as negative sign, because in my past class I told you earlier that for any coordinate like concave and convex, plus minus like that, whatever I told it to you कि भाई x plus y plus x plus minus y plus x y both are minus and x plus y minus, then if the image will be in that position, it means height will be considered as minus 6. So after solving this, we can write at the place of minus 37.5 centimeter in the bracket that image of the object will form in the front of concave mirror, will be in the front of concave mirror, and the image will be in inverted form, and the image will be in inverted form. So that's why I wrote minus 6 centimeter. If in the theoretical manner, in a language literature, I have to write about the height of the object image, then we will write only 6 centimeter. So this one is the answer with magnitude and symbolic sign of positive negative, which is helpful for understanding that where the object height, or image place, object place lies on the number system for with respect to concave mirror and convex mirror. ओके अगेन हमेशा एक ही चीज़ तो याद रखनी है, एक बार रिवाइज कर लो. फॉर कॉनकेव मिरर एंड फॉर कॉनकेव कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, भाई if something lies here it means negative, if something lies here it means positive. In that also, if something lies here that will be negative, and if something lies here that will be positive. अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट याद रहेगा तो आप किसी भी प्रकार का न्यूमेरिकल बना सकते हैं. सिंपली वी हैव टू कंक्लूजन पॉइंट बता रहा हूँ, f प्लस होगा या माइनस ये पता रखना है, v प्लस होगा या माइनस ये पता रखना है, एंड u प्लस होगा या माइनस ये पता रखना है. ये कैसे पता चलेगा? इन तीनों में हमें देखना है कि कौन मिरर के दाहिनी ओर है और कौन मिरर के बाईं ओर है. इफ फ्रॉम v, f एंड u any data will be available in the right hand side of the mirror, that will be considered as plus sign. Left side of the mirror, that will be considered as minus, that will contain minus sign. So with the help of this simple trick, this one is the trick, whatever you have to memorize. कॉनकेव बनाने का, कॉन्वेक्स बनाने का, जो भी बनाओ, जो इधर है वह प्लस है, जो इधर है वह माइनस है. सो ऑलवेज वी हैव टू रिमेम्बराइज. अगर आपको ये चीज़ें याद रह जाती हैं देन डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट कंप्लीट मार्क्स, और कोई आपको रोक नहीं सकता है. आफ्टरवर्ड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू विल फील एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम एंड ऑल while solving the न्यूमेरिकल्स बनाना है, न्यूमेरिकल्स बनाने का कोई उपाय नहीं है. So you have to solve all the questions, numerical questions